Yeah, hi. So in this video, we are going to see about the classes in Kotlin. So we have a few classes in Kotlin. So it's like normal class, open class, and we have abstract class and data class and annotation class and sealed class. Okay. So these are the classes we are having in Kotlin. So it's like we will go through one by one. It's like abstract class. We have saw abstract already. Okay. So we have saw an abstract already, and open is there. Then sealed class, then data class. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we have these classes. So abstract and sealed. Okay, yeah. So annotation class. Okay, so these classes we will see. So the abstract class we already saw over here. So this vehicle is a abstract class. I think we in our previous video we have this abstraction, so you just go and see that video. So it's like I just go through the small example. So abstract class will have abstract methods and normal methods too, both it can have. Okay, so but whatever the abstract method which is having inside the abstract class, which needs to extend in the child class also. Okay, so if I am extending this vehicle, okay, so I am creating a class bullet. Okay, bullet, and I am extending with vehicle. Okay, so if I am extending with vehicle, I need to in this child class. So this is the child, this bullet is a child of the vehicle, so it should implement or override all these three abstract functions inside this. Okay, so let's I am showing to you. So if I need to implement all these classes, all these functions. Okay, so that's what. So and abstract function only exist in the abstract class. If you have abstract function, means it should be exist only in the abstract class, it can't be exist in the other places. Okay, so this is what abstract one. Okay, so we have another one type is called open class. Okay, so open class, so we'll go, what is that, we wrote something, right? Where is it? Oh, here we wrote. Okay, okay, so I'll undo this one. So okay, so open class also I'm just giving an example. So instead of abstract I'm changing to open, so it will give an error because abstract method only exists in the abstract class. Okay, if we have any abstract function, means the class need to be abstract. Okay, so I am just removing these functions. Okay, I'm just removing these functions. So if I am removing this function, this needs to be body. So abstract function doesn't have any body, so this also will give error. Okay, abstract function does not give any doesn't have any body, but these functions need to be have a body, return type things. Okay, so the same thing for this, same thing for this. Okay, so we have three functions. So if we want to import this method, so now still the vehicle, the bullet is a parent for child for vehicle is a parent for bullet. So I am trying to override any method, means it won't show. So if I am seeing the overridden methods, the method inside the vehicle doesn't show because the if we are not adding the open keyword in the vehicle, so means we can't extend the vehicle also. So open keyword is necessary if we want to extend some classes, so we can't extend, so it will be a private class. So actually private class we can't extend, right? So like that it will convert to like that. So it needs to be open when it is, so make it open. Okay, so it needs to be open when if we want to extract. Okay, so this is also a rule. And one more thing, we can't see the functions inside the vehicle class, because if we want to use the function inside the vehicle class, the function also should be open. So because it is open to work with the child, or it is open for the child classes. Okay, now I can see the name in the overridden field. So in the overridden field, vehicle that name. Okay, so I can see that name, so I can extend that and as well. So this is open. So open is widely used, so we can it will mainly used for extracting the things. So next one, what is that we have? So abstract open, then is sealed one. So sealed class, the difference between sealed and abstract or this open type of thing, open class, is like sealed and open we can extend multiple classes. It's like no limit, you can make a child, multiple child as a make a multiple child. Okay, but if it is a sealed class, for example, if we are using this parent class if we are using this parent class features in a particular place only. If we want to restrict to other things, means we are using for this only for this two classes, means there is no one want to extract, means we can use this sealed class. It's like I'm adding this sealed class. It's like certificate. Okay, so it is like two-wheeler certificate. Okay, so two-wheeler certificate is a sealed class. So two-wheeler certificate will have only for two-wheelers. So I can create a class is called bike. Okay, it can extend two-wheeler certificate. Okay, so like again I am creating a class called cycle, so it can extend two-wheeler certificate. Okay, so it is like which is inside the package we can extend. Okay, so if it is a Kotlin, so I'm having everything inside the package. So I'm moving this one to a new, where is it, new package. Okay, so package called demo. I just added one package here, and another one package is called vehicles. Okay, so I'll move this vehicle to this vehicle. Okay, so then I am creating one more not that vehicle to there. Okay, so vehicle, so in the vehicle we have a two-wheeler certificate, right? So I'm creating one more class over here. Okay, one more Kotlin class like tricycle. Okay, tricycle. So this tricycle try to extend two-wheeler, it won't work because move tricycle to package. So it is like a sealed one. It is sealed one inside this package. Okay, so it is sealed inside this package called vehicle. So we can't use that one outside the package. That is what the sealed class means. So in the same way, if I am doing the same thing, if for example tricycle vehicle, if I am using the same thing for this vehicle class, we can extend the vehicle class, but we can't extend the sealed class. So this is the difference between this normal or abstract vehicle and the sealed class. Okay, so and any function I am having over here, function price. Okay, so function price return nothing. Okay, so this one I can extend. I can't do anything over here because I can't even extract the things over here, but inside this classes I can do that. Okay, so actually it needs to be open, right? So inside these classes we can extend the price and we can do that. Okay, so this is same thing. So within the package we can call, outside the package we can't call the sealed. That's what sealed means. It is sealed inside the package. It is sealed. We can't use the class outside. So it is for restriction of the abstract one. Okay, extension. So we can't inherit the other place parent to some classes. It is to restrict some restrictions. Okay, so another one class is like, what is that? Another one data class, annotation class. So data class is like a module class. Okay, so it is like a module. So I'm having vehicle as a class, right? So I'm having some data, vehicle data. So data class will created with a data keyword. Okay, like how it is called sealed keywords, how it is called abstract keyword, open keyword, like that. Data class will call with data keyword data. Okay, vehicle data, and in the parameter it should have at least one variable. Okay, well id int. Okay, at least one variable, and we can have some other name, model, display. Okay, so these are the other models. Okay, so this is the data class. So our advantages of data class is like model class and data class. We can create the same thing in normal class too. Okay, we can create the same thing in normal class too. Okay, this is a normal class, this is a data class. The difference between normal class and data class is we can call this class and we can't equal the class variable. So it's like I am just showing you, like, so inside the function I'm calling val normal vehicle is equal to vehicle m. Okay, vehicle m, so we didn't put any default, right? So it will ask for default. Okay, okay, 1 comma name comma, okay, comma, what is this, display, okay, model is integer, model 2. Okay, so this is one data type. Okay, I am creating this one is at 3 times, 2 3. Okay, so 3 times I am creating this one. Okay, so after creating this one I am changing the value. Okay, 3 6. If the same value also, this both two are same value. Okay, 2 are same value. If I am just print this one equal to this one. Okay, I am printing this one equal to this one, and I am printing the both things separately also. Okay, this one separately, this one separately. Okay, let's see. I think it should run, right? Once again, it doesn't override these two things, and bike is having also, I think. Okay, so if from the main we are running that one or not. This is the main function, so this is a vehicle class, right? Vehicle class, it is display. I'm directly calling the vehicle. It's equal to vehicle dot display. Okay, so I'm just displaying this one, so you can see what we are getting for these things: vehicle 1, vehicle 2, vehicle 3. Okay, so it is running. What is it? Okay. So the thing is, it you can see the result. Yeah, you can see the result. So it is false, it is not equal to. So but we enter the same data, so both variables having the same data, but the response, this is normal class, this is not net data class. Okay, so both variables having the same data, but the result is false, and you can see the ID. So it will create each ID a memory space, and it will show the memory space only. But in the same place I am doing vehicle data. Okay, it's a data class. Okay, it's a data class. The data class I am equaling, and we are printing the data class also. So okay, now let's see what is printing and what is going to print. So you can see the data. So data class 1 data, so it is printing the data, so it will do. So it is this is the advantage and of data class. Okay, so some other advantages also. We can destructure the data class. It's like we can take the item like ID, name, model, display. Okay, is equal to normal 2 means it will take all the, it will take by it doesn't care about the names. Okay, it doesn't care about the names. It will be common, like the first parameter is in the first value. So if I gave name, means in the name variable the ID will come only. Okay, so it will come in a order 1 to 3 order. So it is like 0 1 2 3, like in that order it will come. It doesn't care about the name. So you can destructure this one like that. This is the major small difference between this normal class and this class. Okay, so another one we are having is annotation. Okay, so annotation is nothing but we are normally using it at deprecated, like that we are having, right? So that is the annotation class. So annotation class is it is nothing to do with, it is nothing to do with. So it is like annotation class with annotations. Okay, annotation classes, my annotations. We can do this also, or we can do just string. Okay, so this also, so this is there is nothing to do with annotations, because the thing is it won't be useful. Anyway, anywhere we are going to use this one. So it is for the compiler or any processor to identify which method is this one, which class is this one. So we are using hilt or anything in the Android Studio means that library to understand which is which class. For that only this annotation will work. So for our development or project, 100% or 99.9% we won't use, never use this mostly the annotation. This was just knowledge I'm letting you. Okay. So these are the classes in Kotlin. So for more videos, what is the next one you guys needed, just let me know. Okay.